Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports report. Now, the Reggae Girlz will be in the island starting this weekend for a one-week local camp. Neither the Jamaica Football Federation nor head coach Lorne Donaldson have revealed the players who have been invited to the camp. Donaldson says some players have not been released by their clubs in the United States, and a decision is to be made on whether to replace them in the training squad. Following the Jamaica camp, the players will return home before heading to another camp in Amsterdam on July 1. The JFF must submit its World Cup squad to FIFA by July 10. The Reggae Girlz, who are preparing for a historic second consecutive World Cup appearance, are drawn in Group F and will face France on July 23, Panama on July 29, and Brazil on August 2. The FIFA Women's World Cup runs from July 20 to August 20, with New Zealand facing Norway in the opening game in Auckland on July 20, and the final set for Sydney Olympic Stadium in Australia on August 20. Argentina legend Lionel Messi will join American side Inter Miami after his exit from French champions Paris Saint-Germain. The former Barcelona player is set to reject a more lucrative offer from Saudi Arabian side Al Hilal. The Miami deal includes collaboration from brands like Adidas and Apple. 35-year-old Messi has won 7 Ballon d'Or awards and is expected to win it later this year after guiding Argentina to World Cup glory. It's the first time Messi will be playing outside of Europe. He netted 32 goals in 75 games for PSG and ended this season with 16 goals and 16 assists in Ligue 1. At West Indies opener, Johnson Charles says the coach Darren Sammy's impact is already transferring to the side after just 2 matches in charge. The Windies beat the UAE in the second match of their 3-match series on Tuesday by 78 runs to take an unassailable 2-0 series lead.
Straight and straight enough. Oh, that is so good, Johnson Charles. Accessing the 360 degrees of the field.
Not just mine, it has a positive impact on everybody's performance because he's an inspirational leader. So I think that positiveness will definitely, just come run down on the other guys, and it will definitely push us to bring out our best.
Charles had a man-of-the-match knock as he made 63 off 47 balls and shared in a 129-run opening stand with Jamaican Brandon King, who made a top score of 64 in the West Indies knock yesterday. He says the series is important. Despite the weak opposition, the third and final game will be played on Friday. And Mikel Antonio and West Ham United will look to win their first European trophy since 1965 when they contest the UEFA Europa Conference League final against Fiorentina today. West Ham were able to dispatch AZ Alkmaar 3-1 on aggregate, while Fiorentina got by FC Basel 4-3 to earn their spot in the final. The match starts at 2 p.m. Jamaica time. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News.